Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to show you the 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. So we have a cardstock add-on, a pattern paper add-on, and embellishment add-on. You can add on 1, 2, or all 3 of them to make your flavors of the month go even further. Also be sure to check out the Shots of Life because it coordinates with the flavors of the month as well, and it can give you more pattern paper and more embellishments. So let's dig in and take a closer look at everything in each one of these 3 add-ons. Starting with the cardstock add-on, you'll receive 3 additional cardstocks, 2 of one color and 1 of another, for each one of the 4 collections. You can see here how well they match the colors in the collection. So starting with Home for Christmas from Cardabella, we have 1 sheet of natural and 2 sheets of ivy. For the Pink Fresh Holiday Magic, you'll get 1 sheet of Lagoon and 2 sheets of the classic yellow. And then for Simple Stories Holidays, you'll receive 1 sheet of Pine and 2 sheets of Kisses. For the Vicky Bouton's Warm Wishes is 1 sheet of Cascade and 2 sheets of Grenadine. Next up is our patterned paper add-on. So for our patterned paper add-on, you receive 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. This gives you a lot more options in patterned paper. So starting with Cardabella Home for Christmas, we have this paper with all of the stockings. These would be cute to take some of them and fussy cut out. You could create a little scene. The back is a white polka dot, like a snowfall print on red. This paper is called Stockings Were Hung. Then we have the cut apart. We have some 4x6 and 3x4s. And then we have some little square ones. So these are super cute and fun. And this one could be cut apart and used individually or leave it as the 3x4. So lots of options on that cut apart. The back is a black and white pinstripe. This one is called Multi-Journaling Cards. For Pink Fresh Holiday Magic, we have this paper called Candy Cane, and this is a gorgeous paper. This would make a great background. You could put a photo right here towards the center and a little bit of journaling, tuck in just a few little embellishments and call it done. It would also be cute to trim down just a little bit and to mat on cardstock. So you could just do a little border of cardstock around it to frame it. That's a great pattern paper. The back is an aqua with white polka dot. Then we have this one called Greatest Gift that is all of these small packages. This is another paper that would be great. Fussy cut a few of those out for embellishments. The back is a pink paper with stars in pink and red and white. I just love the pink and aqua together. Simple Stories Holidays. So this is called Hey Santa, and it has just Christmas icons. Santa Claus, the cup of hot cocoa, poinsettias, ornaments, candy canes. Just really cute. The back says Ho 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 in the different colors on the pink. Then this one is called the 3x4 Elements. So again, just 3x4 cut apart. Love this one with the person holding all of the gifts, the little bear, Santa Claus. There's an envelope. The back is holly and pink berries on the red. And then for Vicky Bouton's Warm Wishes, we have this paper called Believe in Magic, and it has the script in magic, believe, twinkle, sparkle. And the back is a holly print with distressing in the corners and on the sides. Full branding strip on this one that has the words from the back side. This one is called Holiday Wishes. It has this gorgeous holly wreath with the berries and the bow with that mixed media background. The back is a red polka dot on pink, so this is kind of like a stencil effect with distressing. You see some music sheets in the background and the different colors. And again, another full branding strip of that holly that's represented on the opposite side. So just look at all those gorgeous colors and how well all of the collections would play well together. So that is one more look at your pattern paper add-on. Our final add-on is the embellishment add-on, and it is jam-packed full. To start with, the Cartabella Home for Christmas collection, you're going to get the full of frames and tags die cut pack. So you can see there are lots of pieces. It says 33 pieces. Lots of little small tags and bigger tags and all of these frames with great phrases and words you could use to start your titles with. For the Pink Fresh Holiday Magic, you're going to get half of the sticker sheet. So these will vary among the kits. You'll get this one or the other one that's in the pack. So this is the one I got. Lots of word labels, some banners, a little holiday shopping list and tickets. There's no present like the moment. And then for Simple Stories Holidays, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a large scalloped border with that white snowfall print on the red. Lots of word labels. Love the little houses. And there's that little person with holding her packages again. The little squirrel. Lots of larger words and phrases that you could use for your titles and subtitles, ornaments, the tabs, just so many cute icons. And then from Vicki Bouton's Warm Wishes, you're going to get the package of puffy stickers. So there's 135 puffies on here. We have 1 through 25 in the number. So if you're doing a December daily or even a like a layout spread for the month of December to document different things that have happened. And then lots of little word labels here. Yummy cookies for me and Santa Claus. I think that's a great little subtitle there. And then we have these labels up here, and then a couple of bigger words, and then the little bitty sprinkles of hearts and stars and the little circles. So that's a look at your embellishment add-on. One more look at the 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out all the other kits available. There's also lots of individual items in the store that you can add to your shipment. And don't forget that Shots of Life kit. I'll have a link here to the video showing everything that's in it if you'd like to have it added to your flavors of the month. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.